Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to add subscribe button at the bottom right to your YouTube videos. You can encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by adding a branding watermark to your videos, often called a custom subscribe button. When you add a watermark, viewers can directly subscribe to your channel if they hover over the watermark when using YouTube on a computer. So let's open up youtube.com on your web browser. Then click on the profile picture and then click on YouTube Studio. Next, click on the settings at the bottom left of the page. Then click on channel at the left hand side. Finally, click on the branding tab. In this section, select choose image and choose which image you like to use as your branding watermark. Then select your display time of your branding watermark. End of video. This will show on the last 15 seconds. Custom start time to show your branding watermark image or in the entire video. Once you've selected, then press save. And that is how to add a subscribe button at the bottom right to your YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.